Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rice dhokla at home, easy method. Start by soaking rice for 4 to 6 hours and draining well before blending into a smooth batter with mild spices and water. Add yogurt and a pinch of salt, then let the batter rest to develop a light tang. Prepare a steamer and greased pan so you can steam the batter until set and spongy. Gather ingredients before starting to keep the process smooth and relaxed. Measure rice and yogurt accurately, then prep spice ingredients for tempering. Blending the soaked rice into a silky batter is key. Aim for no lumps and medium consistency. After folding in yogurt and salt, allow the batter to rest briefly to develop mild airiness. While it rests, heat water in your steamer and ready the greased pan to steam immediately. When you're ready to cook, preheat your steamer so it's steaming hot when the batter goes in. Pour the rested batter into a greased pan and steam for about 12 to 18 minutes, checking with a skewer for doneness. While steaming, prepare a hot tempering with mustard seeds, curry leaves, and chilies, and pour it over the steamed dhokla for flavor. Let it cool slightly before cutting into squares and serving warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.